how to turn on Planet Fitness machines. I'm going to tell you how to turn on gym machines at Planet Fitness. For cardio machines like treadmills, bikes, or ellipticals, simply press the power button or tap quick start. Many power on automatically when you step on them, but a quick press kicks things off. For strength equipment like cable machines or selectorized weight stacks, there's no power button. But make sure the pin or selector rod is fully inserted and the weight stack is secure before you start. If a machine seems off or unresponsive, like a touchscreen not lighting up, ask a staff member. They can reboot it from the console or report it to maintenance. And pro tip, always check the yellow adjustment knobs or seat pins are locked in place so your setup is stable and safe.